Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope this video finds you in great spirit. From this point onwards, we're going to talk about the own page SEO for Shopify. So I will teach you how to optimize your own page SEO for search engines. That will help you rank better on search engines like Google, Bing, and other search engines out there. So we're going to talk about the own page SEO in detail. In the past two videos, I talked about how to choose the best SEO template, and how to use the keyword research. So make sure to watch that, especially the keyword research part, because that's going to help you a lot. But yeah, let's just dive right into the on page SEO. So, what I'm going to do is, instead of just giving you theories, I'm going to load a page here, a landing page, and in that, I will teach you SEO in real time. And because the best way to learn SEO is to do it yourself. So, I'm gonna show it to you in real time in a landing page. So what I have done is I have installed this app called Jam Pages Builder. I'm not trying to sell it or endorse it in any way. I just found it and it allows me to create one free page. So I'm just going with it. So there's no affiliate link involved at all. So yeah, I'm gonna add a new page. In fact, I'm using this for the first time myself. So let's choose one page here that will help us. Let's choose a landing page. Where's the landing page? Yeah, here it is. Okay, so let's go with this one. It has all the headings, text, images. It even has the product, and this countdown as well. So yeah, let's use this template, and I will explain SEO using this web page right here. Now there are a lot of elements in the on-page SEO. We have the heading, we have the images, we have the the performance, the optimization, and lots of things. So let's understand each thing one by one instead of giving the information overload. So in this video, we're going to talk about the heading structure. Heading structure is really important for search engine optimization. It helps search engine understand your content better. Okay, what your content is about. Many articles online will tell you that search engines do not care about heading structure nowadays, but that's not true. The heading structure are still relevant, still important. And Google is not the only search engine out there. There are other as well. So we have to consider all the search engines. So yeah, in this video, let's talk about the heading structure. So there's a hierarchy in the heading as well. Okay, so we have the heading HTML tag. We have the H1, we have the H2, H3, H4, H5, H6, and then we have a CSS class. Um, so we have to create a structure in our web page in such a way that it explains to the search engine and the people our content. All right, so let's take an example. This right here is the main heading. Okay, it's really obvious. And here we have the HTML tag. Okay, so we have H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, and H6. Depending on the importance of your heading, you have to assign an HTML tag. So clearly, this right here is the main heading. So by default, this heading has an H2 HTML tag, but it should have H1. Why? Because this is the main heading of our web page. All right. Now, another thing I'm going to do here is I'm going to reconfigure this entire page to some other keyword. Okay, so let's redesign this web page from the perspective of SEO. So the first thing, as I said, you have to assign the heading here. So this right here is my main heading. So I have to assign this the H1. When I assign the H1 to this, search engines will understand that this is the main heading of this web page. This is the heading of this entire web page main content. This is the seed keyword for the SEO consideration. Now, I'm going to choose the keyword dog trees for this example, this entire course. So, as I said in the last video, we had to do some keyword research. So, I have done dog treats here, and I'm going to refine the keywords based on commercial and transactional intent. If you don't know what I'm doing right now, go back to the second chapter, you will understand everything. Then I'm going to refine it with very easy, and we have some keywords here. Now I have to create the H1, the main heading of my web page, in such a way that I can get the maximum benefits. All right, so let's see the keywords we have. Dog treats bag. This is a good keyword. Good and fun dog treats. Now some of these keywords have brand in it. So if you have a general e-commerce store, like you sell all the brands, you can definitely go for these keywords. But if you have a specific brand, like you have your own brand, you are selling something, you have to go with more generic keywords. For example, this one, bulk dog treats. I'm not even sure what this means. Let's search it and understand. Okay, so it's simply wholesale. All right, so this is a good keyword. Now, what happens is that if I use the main heading like buy dog treats online, okay, it's a very generic keyword. And if I search it here, it will have a very high keyword difficulty. That means it is really hard to rank for that keywords. However, if I use this keyword in my title, the bulk dog treats, it will be much easier to rank. Why? Because it has the least keyword difficulty. So what I'm going to do is take this keyword here, bulk dog treats, and use it as my main heading. All right. Now, this won't give me too many traffic. Like this won't give me too many visitors. Like it just has 1,000 people in the US only. Okay. There are many other countries as well. But in the United States, it gives me 1,000 people per month, which has commercial intent. My means they want to search for some brand or want to buy something. But this keyword is much better than using a high volume keyword and not ranking at all. So this is one of my seed keyword. Then we have this one, dog bone treats, and we have dog treat back. So these three keywords I think are really good. And if you can use it in your main heading, that will be better. So we have 1,900, we have 1,300, and 1,000. We can cover these people in our main heading. So for example, I can write it as buy bulk dog treats. What else we have here? Dog treat bag and bone treats. Okay, so you don't have to overstuff the keywords as well. Write something that is understandable, okay, but also covers up the keywords. So with this heading, I can cover these three keywords and attract these customers to my online store. Okay, so this is how you create the main heading of your web page. Now this is the H1. Important point. Each web page should only have one H1 heading. All right. There should be only one main heading on a web page. If you have other heading, assign them H2. For example, here. Now, I have three main categories in it. We have the bulk dog treats. We have the dog treat bags, I think. Yeah. So we have the dog treat bag here. Another thing, you don't have to worry about the S and ing and it like this. Google can understand the intent. So yeah, make it for the people, not for the search engine. It's not like other platforms where you have to take care about the hashtags and write everything as it is. Google can understand the intent of your keywords. Anyway, we have assigned the H1 to this heading. Now let's assign different headings. So we have the bulk dog treats. So go here. Okay, so something like this. Buy dog treats in bulk. So we have given the intent. We have told the search engines that yes, we sell the dog treats in bulk. You don't have to, go as the according to the keyword as it is. you can make sense of the searched keyword and Google will still find it. So now we have this heading. We cannot assign it an H1. We have to assign it another HTML tag. So the best option is the H2. Okay, so we already have the H1 and then we have the H2. Now, if there is another heading like this, like if we have a similar section, there should be a way to duplicate it. I think this is it. Okay, so let's say you have another section just like this one, and you want to add a secondary tag, uh, dog bone treats. So you can write that here. Okay, so we have this heading here. Another thing, you should not just write it for the search engines, you should also write for people. Your heading should sell your product. So now we have this right here. And as I said, we have to assign an HTML tag. We cannot assign the H1, so we have to go for H2. Okay, this is one of the important keywords, so we can assign H to it. Now, let's say that this keyword right here gives some information related to this keyword. Like this is some brand. So let's say this is brand A. Okay, so we can assign it an heading, which is kind of like an hierarchy of the headings. So you can select this heading right here and assign this an H3 heading. Okay, so when Google or any other search engines crawl your website, they will understand that this is the um, main heading right here, the H1. This page sells the bulk dog treats, treat bags, and bone treats, and it sells the dog treats in bulk, and it sells the bone treats, and then it has brand A, which is related to this keyword. Okay, so we have the H1, the main keyword, we have the H2 related to that keyword, and then we have the H3 related to this keyword, and then we have this paragraph which is related to this H3 right here. So you have to create this kind of hierarchy in your web page. Now let's say this brand still has its features or pros and cons, then we will have H4, and if that has anything, that will be H5. We don't go that far. Like there will be rarely any case where you will go to H5 and H6. But if there is any hierarchy where you go really deep into the headings, you can go there as well. But in most cases, you will reach up to H4. But this is the idea. You have to assign an heading HTML tag to your headings, okay, in a way that it helps search engines understand the heading structure, the page structure of your landing page or web page. So yeah, create a landing page and do it yourself, related to your the main keyword. Make sure that you do some research first about the keywords, select the best keyword, create a heading that sells your product but also include the keywords, and then assign the H2 and H3 and H4 later on. So yeah, I hope you understand the heading structure for web page. Thanks for watching.